What's going to be on a lot of people's minds, and also the talk of the town, is going to be the recent political debate. So that's kind of what we wanted to address today. So every year we know that this is up and coming. We always can anticipate this. What's always interesting though is how emotional people get coming up to that election. And now all of a sudden they're basing their spending patterns, how they invest, how they save, how they don't save, and they're basing everything on, I want to see what happens. I want to see what the outcome is. And I want to see what happens first before I make any decisions. It's kind of one of the most ridiculous things that I've seen in almost 24 years in this business, because what people are doing is they're trying to anticipate something that we have absolutely no control of whatsoever. And so you can see lately that America is divided. We are 50-50%. Maybe it's 45-45 and then 10 in the middle, who knows? But the point is that there's a lot of people that they are viewed on one side or another. And so when it comes to the stock market, everybody thinks this is really gonna make or break the stock market. It's not. So what I wanted you guys to know is over the next few months, we are going to go over several different things in these videos that we've seen with past elections or what we can anticipate with future elections. And believe me, we cannot understand what's going to happen down the road, but what we can understand is that we have to be prepared for the here and the now and anticipated shifts and all financial hurdles that could come our way. When it comes to inflation, we also have to be aware of stagflation or deflation. When it comes to interest rates, they're always going to go up or down. We've just been spoiled by very low interest rates for a very long time, so we got used to that. But from a money management standpoint, we didn't. We knew that someday interest rates are going to go up and it's going to wreak havoc in the fixed income world, where as people get older and they get into retirement, now they want to get a little more conservative in the fixed income world, but obviously that's not working. So you really cannot blame one side or another. I mean, if you go back to COVID, we actually thrived in a year where there was a worldwide pandemic. So there's good economies, bad economies, but they are going to ebb and flow. That is just a natural business cycle. So again, we are not in the politic business, we are in the money business, and we are in your money business. So what we have to do is not focus on the world economy or the domestic economy. It's actually your personal economy. So again, follow the financial plan, follow the income plan, follow the tax plan. The portfolio money management, if you take a look at the 3 and 5 year numbers, we are so strong it's not even funny. We take a look at national averages. We took a look at national firms like Fisher Investments, Morgan Stanley, Wells Fargo. We are always constantly comparing our portfolios according to that. And believe me, if you take a look at the numbers, our numbers, because we've been so equity driven, have been significantly stronger. So again, that's really has bode well for you guys. And again, you can see that in your accounts as especially year over year. So again, I don't want people to focus on the election, focus on yourself. That's what we're going to continue to do. I hope you guys have a great, safe week, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much.